Smart Planet presents food. It's red and very sweet, and I love to eat it in the afternoon. Apple. It's yellow. You have to peel it, and monkeys love it. Banana. It's orange. It is round, and my dad makes juice with it every morning. Orange. It can be green or red, and you can find it in the farm. Pepper. It's red. It is very tasty, and you can make sauce for pasta. Tomato. It's purple. It has a very funny shape, and it is very, very healthy. Eggplant. It is yellow. It has holes, and mice love it. Cheese. They are white. They are very fragile, and you can do omelets with them. Eggs. It is white and very healthy. I drink it a lot, so I get very, very strong. Milk. It's orange. It is very refreshing, and I love to drink it in the summer. Juice. It has no color, and it has no smell, but I love to drink it when I'm thirsty. Water.